right, Hannah, Steven, good morning. I'm going to have you guys log on to your Warrior Phonics in Google Classroom. And then I want you to go to Unit 1, Week 1, Day 4. Okay, in this lesson, on your first slide, you're going to have a video. Okay, you're going to need to watch that. And then when you're done with that, I've got your words and sentences that we're going to be practicing today. So here's your first slide. You'll have the word of the day. Okay, so go ahead and watch that. And when you're done, you can go ahead and watch my video, and I'll give you your words here, okay? All right, so your first word is path. Path. So this will be on slide 3. Path. Chad did jog on the path. Okay. And then you can press pause so you can do that. And then we're going to go to slide 4. And slide 4, your word is math. Math. Tim had a math quiz. Math. Okay, press pause. When you're done with that, you can go to slide 5. And your next word is shed. Shed. Kim hid in the shed. Okay, press pause. And then you'll go to slide 6 and click play on me again. And on slide 6, your word is neck. Neck. Bob has a rash on his neck. Okay. Now we're going to do some sentence dictation. Okay, and that will be on slide 10. Okay. Or sorry, that's going to be on slide 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so on slide 8, your sentence is, Dad said, go to bed. Dad said, go to bed. Okay, you can press pause, and then when you're ready, go to slide 9. And your sentence for slide 9 is, Fred got stuck in the mud. Fred got stuck in the mud. Okay, press pause, and then you can go to slide 10. And then what you're going to do is there's going to be 3 different lines there. You just pull that off, and you'll be able to type right there, okay? Okay, your sentence is, my snack is in that bag. My snack is in that bag. Okay, press pause. And then when you're ready, go to the next line. And that sentence is, are you in the cast of that skit? Are you in that cast of that skit? One more time. Are you in the cast of that skit? Okay, press pause, and then when you're ready, go to the final sentence. And your final sentence is, did Tim jump in and go for a swim? Did Tim jump in and go for a swim? All right, guys, that's your phonics lesson for the day. You guys have a great day. Make sure you turn this in to me when you're done. See you guys later.